Okay, to make our love monster, we're going to start with 2 big pieces of construction paper. So when I dismiss your team, you'll come up to the rainbow table and pick up 2 pieces of construction paper. How many? Good job. Now one of them is going to be your monster and one of them is going to be your background, and it doesn't matter which one. I think I'm going to make my monster orange on a magenta background. So I'm going to move the magenta out of the way, and I am going to use a small brush and some black paint to create my love monster. Now in the book, he was a bushy love monster with 2 triangle ears. So about halfway up the paper, I'm going to start by making his triangle ears. I'm going to make him have some hair coming around. I'm going to make some swipes coming down the side. If you noticed, he was made up of a bunch of different paint lines, so we can kind of smear him in like this. We don't have to make this part perfect. Give him some up in here in his ears. Okay, now I'm just going to set my brush down for a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and give him some eyes. Now, I'm going to cut them out of the white paper that you'll see on your desk. If you want 2 eyes that are the exact same size, you can fold your paper over like this and then cut it. If you wanted to give him maybe 1 big eye and 1 little eye, make him a little bit more monsterish, you could do that. So I'm going to cut out 1 eye. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle because he is, anyways, a monster. So now I have his eyes, and I'm going to put just a dot of glue on the back. Press those down. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my black paint. I'm going to add a little dot in his eye. I might give him a little eyebrow up here, like this. I'm going to give him a mouth. Now some of the monsters were smiling, some of the monsters were frowning. It's up to you how you put him. I'm going to make him a little worried here. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to add some more texture with my brush. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to outline around his eyes. Okay. Now he's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to take this leftover paper here and I'm going to cut out a few triangles for his teeth. You can cut them out however you like. He can have 2 big teeth sticking out. He can have 3 teeth. He can have 5 teeth. Totally up to you. I'm going to glue, I think, maybe 2 on the bottom. Bless you. I think I'll give him 1 on the top, too. Okay. Now, I'm going to cut out my love monster, and I'm not going to waste a lot of time cutting him out perfectly. I'm just going to zigzag around him. Nice and quick. Now I am going to keep this scrap paper left over because we're going to use it later. Now what do I need to put on the back of here? Before that. Oh, before that? Yes, we're going to put our name and our class code on the back. Then we will take our glue stick. We have to glue them on carefully because our monster is still a little bit wet. So I'm just going to add some stripes of glue right here in the middle. And then I'm going to lay him down, and I'm going to make sure he's touching the bottom because I don't want him to be a magically floating monster. And I'll push this down. And then I'm going to use not only my scrap paper, but some of my friends' scrap papers to cut out some hearts and glue up here. You can cut out some triangles, some squares, and some confetti so that when he is he's nice and colorful like this. You can see I added 3 hearts down here. I put a heart above his head because he was thinking about love, and then I put some fun, colorful confetti. When he's done, he's going to go to the drying rack, and then you're going to clean up and read if you have any extra time.